This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use L'Oreal Hyaluronic Acid Night Cream. First, begin your nightly routine by thoroughly cleansing your face. This crucial step removes all makeup, dirt, and impurities, ensuring a clean canvas. Next, apply a gentle toner to balance your skin's pH, preparing it for optimal absorption. Finally, ensure your skin is slightly damp. This helps the hyaluronic acid penetrate more effectively, maximizing its hydrating benefits. Now, let's talk about application. Take a small, pea-sized amount of the L'Oreal Hyaluronic Acid Night Cream onto your fingertips. Remember, a little goes a long way with this potent formula. Gently dot the cream evenly across your face and neck, avoiding the immediate eye area. Then, using soft, upward and outward circular motions, massage the cream into your skin until it is fully absorbed. This technique helps stimulate circulation and ensures even distribution. This night cream is packed with powerful hyaluronic acid, a superstar ingredient known for its incredible hydrating properties. It works diligently overnight to deeply moisturize and plump your skin, significantly reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. You'll wake up to skin that feels noticeably smoother, firmer, and wonderfully supple. Consistent use helps restore your skin's natural bounce and youthful radiance, making it an essential part of your evening regimen. To truly maximize the benefits of your L'Oreal Hyaluronic Acid Night Cream, consistency is key. Make it a non-negotiable part of your nightly skincare routine, applying it every single evening. For an extra boost of hydration, consider layering it over a hyaluronic acid serum. This powerful duo works synergistically to lock in moisture. And remember, always protect your revitalized skin with a broad-spectrum SPF during the day, safeguarding your results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.